Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have c cubed divided by c plus c plus c is equals to 12, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. And now we move towards the solution of this problem. I hope so you like this method. So first we focus in the denominator side, and you see that c is added by 3 times, and we write it as 3 times of c is equals to 12. And here you see that the exponent of this c is 1, and we apply here the nice exponential rule. You know about that. If we have a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n, this is equals to a to the power of m minus n. So according to this rule of exponent, we move the exponent 1 to the upsides, and it will be written as c to the power of 3 minus 1 divided by 3 is equals to 12. And further we move the term 3 from left hand side to the right hand side, and we get c square is equals to 12 times 3 becomes 36. So further in the next step here we need more simplifications, and we just move 36 to the left hand side, and we write it as c square minus 36, and this whole equation is equals to 0. Again we rewrite this equation as c square minus 6 square equals to 0. And here we apply the algebraic formula. You know about that. If we have a square minus b square equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So according to this formula, we just expand the above equation as in this form: c minus 6 times of c plus 6, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write c minus 6 is equals to 0. The second case is we write c plus 6 is equals to 0. From this equation we get the value of c is equals to plus 6. This is the first root. From here we move plus 6 to the right hand side, and we get c is equals to minus 6. This is the second root of the given equation. So you see that here we get these are the two roots of the given equation, and now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is c cubed divided by c plus c plus c is equals to 12, and in this side we verify c is equals to 6, and in this side we verify c is equals to minus 6. So we verify both of these two roots of the above equation. And now here when we put c is equals to 6 into the left hand side, this will becomes 6 cubed divided by 6 plus 6 plus 6 is equals to 12 or not. And now further we have uh, you see here this 6 is added by 3 times. We write it as 3 times of 6, and this is equals to 12. And now you see here this 6 and this 6 are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are from numerator we have 6 square divided by 3 is equals to 12. And you again see here we have 6 square equals to 36 divided by 3 is equals to 12, and you see that 3 times 12 becomes 36, and we get 12 equals to 12. This shows that the value x is equals to 6 is satisfied our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we verify the second value of c. So the second value of c is equals to minus 6. So we put this value into the left hand side and we check its behavior, and this will becomes minus 6 cubed divided by minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 is equals to 12. And now here in the next step we have, you see that minus 6 is added by 3 times, so we write it as 3 times of minus 6, and this is equals to 12. This minus 6 and this are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are, from here we get minus 6 square divided by 3 is equals to 12. And now further we have minus 6 square becomes 36 divided by 3 is equals to 12. And here we need to cancel these terms, so this is again 3 times 12 becomes 36, and we get here 12 is equals to 12. This again shows that both the sides are equal. So finally we conclude about that both of the roots are satisfied our given question statement. And finally we have the solution set of the given question is uh, c is equals to plus minus 6. So these are the two roots of the given equation, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.